everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have a QVC Tili Try It Love It box, and it came in a box that is just like a huge FabFitFun box because it is the summer Tili. So let's get in here and see what we got. So if you follow my community tab, the day that this came out, or the day that I found out about it, which I think is the day that it came out, one of my subscribers, I wish I could remember who you are, but thank you so much, let me know that this was out. And while the Tili box is normally only $25 and you get 6 or 7 small products, this one was $49, but it has a way bigger stuff and lifestyle type things in it. And as of when I'm taping this, it is still available. I'll let you know right here if as of when I'm editing it, it is also still available. So let's rip into this and see what we've got. I was kind of surprised when it came because since it looked like this, I thought maybe it was something to do with FabFitFun or Causebox, but no, QVC. So once we get it open, this is what it looks like on the inside. And you can go online and it will tell you everything that's in the box. There is no surprise to this. They tell you, if you want to look, they tell you everything that's coming in the box. I did look because, to be honest, I wanted to be sure it was things that I wanted, but I get plenty of things that I don't use regularly and I pass along to other people or I set aside for giveaways. And I told myself before I went out and looked at this, if it was not things that I thought I would use, I was not going to get it, but it was things I thought I would use. All right, so let's just dig right in, and right on top we have this nice black box, which is Privé Revaux, and I think these are sunglasses. And this brand, I'm not sure if it was started by Jamie Foxx, but I know that he is in some way involved in it, and it's usually a really nice looking sunglasses. It comes in a gorgeous hard case. It's kind of triangular. How cool looking is that? I will put down here what the prices will be as long as I can find like these exact glasses, but their glasses on QVC usually go for $30 or $40. And again, this was a $40 box, so it was more than the average Tili box. These are the sunglasses. How cute are they? They are so cute. They fit really well. They are so cute. I don't usually wear really light glasses because I think it just brings to life how pale I am, but these feel so nice. And a modified cat eye, there are not many people that a nice modified cat eye doesn't look good on. It looks good on almost every face shape. Those are so cute. Are they cute? Let me know what you think below. I think they're adorable. And I'm getting quite the sunglasses collection. Between what we're getting in our boxes and what I've chosen, I am actually getting quite the sunglasses collection. On the inside of the arm, it's got metal here so you can see just a little bit at the top and the bottom. And it's got the Privé Revaux label on it. So those are really cute. And it also comes with a nice cleaning fabric and this gorgeous case that you can just pop them back in and close right out. Okay, reaching in next, I have a hand sanitizer. And that is what that looks like. It looks like a little bottle of gin, if you ask me. I feel like I'm getting ready to take a flight and they've offered me a drink and brought me a little bottle. This is the Skinny All Natural Hand Sanitizer. Antiseptic, tropical, nope, it's not tropical, it's topical. Although there is a palm tree. I think that's where my brain went. And it says it kills up to 99.9% of germs. I always worry about that 0.1% of germ that's trying to get away. This is, I was not far off. Can you guys see? It's liquid. It is just like, I don't want to belabor it, but gin. So I get, yeah, how do you use that? Just poured a little bit in my hand. Oh, I did my nails yesterday and apparently I clipped one of my cuticles a little too close. Oh, oh goodness. So yeah, oh, it's, yeah, I feel like it smells like I'm ready for a drink. I feel like there's got to be a better way to use that, but honestly, I'm not sure what it would be, but okay. I think my hands are clean and also ready for some tonic. Okay, moving on. I have a Fresh Face Makeup Towel Remover from Campanelli, and they make these to compete with the makeup erasers. And I have had these in the past, and I used to not really care for makeup erasers, but I'm really trying to embrace them, and these are always pretty. I don't know why it seems to be so important, but whenever you get one of these new makeup eraser type things, it always says wash and dry before you use it. And they want you to use hot water and dry it. And they're always like, it won't work if you don't. I wonder what's so super secret awesome about that initial wash. If you know, let me know below. I mean, it's always a good idea to wash things before you put them on your face, but they act like it won't work if you don't. So we got two. this cute little one, and the back is the longer, just like the makeup eraser. And with the makeup eraser, they always say, wash with that side, and then the back side that's longer, you can exfoliate with. So we got this little one, and then we got this bigger one. And it's the same story. It is flatter on that side and longer for exfoliating on that side. And something these have that technically the makeup erasers don't. They do because they have their label, but this has an actual loop, and I love that. I have several hooks in my shower holding all manner of things, but this is so pretty in purple. And in case I didn't show you, I took it out of this cute little travel bag. So if you were going somewhere, you could just poke it right in there and you are ready to go. Okay, reaching in next, I have a Soon Biocellulose Brightening Face Mask. I have had several of the Soon under eye masks. I don't know if I've ever, oh look how pretty my nails look with it. I don't know that I've ever had a full face mask. And the back of this says, you don't have time for dull people, dull food, and especially not dull skin. Luckily, this mask is specially formulated with arbutin, niacinamide, and glutathione. Our brightening mask improves your complexion by balancing uneven skin tone and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also delivers a powerful antioxidant to strengthen the skin barrier and restore clarity by nourishing the skin. If only polishing away the dull in every aspect of your life was just as easy. And one of my favorite things, scanning the ingredients very quickly. I believe I can use this, so I am very excited about that. Look, they have a purple theme going on too. It's not just my nails. Okay, reaching in next, I have a Flip It bottle emptying kit. This is so cool. I actually thought about ordering. They used to sell these by the set on QVC, and that's what it is. And what you do is when you're getting near the end of like a bottle, you can take the lid off of it and turn it upside down and set it into this, and then you can squeeze out what's left. You know, if you got any of the Beauty with Benefits that had the Win conditioning shampoo in it, we didn't get pumps, so getting to the bottom is going to be difficult. This would be perfect. I'm going to open it up real quick and show you guys what it looks like. So you receive the actual thing that it sits on, and this end, see how it has a hole? It just pulls out, and then you can use this as to get your goodies out. And it has 3 different sizes that hopefully one of them will fit the screw-on part of whichever bottle you're choosing to use. And then it has 4 different sized gaskets, so you can make sure it's tight. When they used to sell these on QVC though, they didn't just use them for beauty products. They would take like ketchup bottles or anything like that. And because it's on a tripod, it's really stable, and you can just, I am really excited to have this since we have that Win conditioning cleanser, because this will be perfect for that. And again, this is called the Flip It Bottle Emptying Kit. Save money, get every drop. And it says that it has the extra large stand, the large adapter, the medium adapter, and the small adapter. They say that the small fits most cleansers, lotions, car wax. So see, you could give this to your husband. Tell him you were thinking about him. Hand sanitizers. And then the medium says it's for most shampoos, conditioners, larger sunscreens, some baby care products, pancake syrup. And then the larger one they say is great for economy size shampoos and conditioners, hand soap refills, dishwasher gels. That's a great idea. Ketchup, chocolate syrup. I know, this seems like such a silly little product, but because I have that Win, I'm really happy to have it. Reaching in next, I have a box, which appears to have, if I were being forced into guessing, I think Christmas lights on it. I don't remember what this is. I wonder if it's something Christmassy. Oh, right. I remember now. Well, technically, is it remembering once you've seen it? I guess technically. Oh, right. I've been shown now. This is the Primula Hot and Cold Thermal Tumbler, and this is their version of like a Yeti. It is really pretty. It's huge too, but they've made the bottom small so that it will fit into a cup holder, and it has, look, it has a nice edging on it that makes it nice and easy to hold, easier to hold than if it's just smooth. My Yeti is a smooth one. It has a little texture to it, but it's just smooth. It says that it has a flip top lid that is straw compatible, textured for firm grip, double wall vacuum sealed with interior layer of copper coating. It says triple layer copper cold technology, 20 ounces, BPA free. Oh, it doesn't pull off. It screws off. That's interesting. Let me read the paperwork real quick and see what it says. This product is able to keep liquids hot or cold for extended periods of time. Please allow hot liquids to cool before securing lid and consuming. So I wonder if that's because of this or because they think you'll burn yourself. I wonder, because it says do not put liquids over 180 degrees Fahrenheit in here. All right, reaching in next, I have the Tula Skincare, the cult classic purifying face cleanser. And that is what that looks like. And this says it is a probiotic gel-based cleanser to remove dirt, impurities, and makeup gently and effectively. Skin is left looking balanced, clarified, and prepped for skincare. I am not going to try this on because I think it has licorice root in it. I'm not 100% positive, but I'm like 90% positive. And if I can't use it, I want to be sure I can still give it away. So we won't open this, but it is 1.67 fluid ounces. And again, that is what that looks like. And I just double checked that and it is sealed, so we will leave it sealed. Reaching in next, and something else that makes this so worthwhile for me, it is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Aging, and it seems small. It's half a fluid ounce, and it's just a little tube. But this is half of a full size, which is like $90. So for me, this pretty much takes care of the box, and I love this. I am trying so many new moisturizers right now, but in the winter, I always end up back with my Lala Retro, and then the summer, I so often end up back with my Elemis Pro Collagen. I am trying a lot of other ones though, trying to find something that my skin likes just as well, but I know, you feel kind of like if you have something that's working, why would you keep trying new things? But you know, you just want to try new things. Reaching in next, I took out this, and it's huge, but I do remember what this is, and this is another lifestyle product. And what it is 2 California Innovations bags. So let's open these up and see what they are. So they are foldable, and you just unhook it, and then you can open it up. And this first one is a really good size. Oh my goodness, look how big this is. That is so big. It is a really good sized thermal bag that you can take like to the market and come home with your items nice and cold. How great is that? And it has an outside pocket. I use this, I have some of these, and I use the outside pocket like if I go to Trader Joe's and I also pick up soap, I put it in there so it's not in with my regular groceries. And I just found a piece of paper inside that says it is antimicrobial. It has a microban that inhibits the growth and stain of odor-causing bacteria in the lining. And it's built-in antimicrobial protection for the entire life of the product. So that's awesome. And then the other bag, this one feels smaller. I love the teal of this. So it is the same size, but it doesn't have a zip top. It's just an open top, and it is lined, but I don't think that's meant to be as thermal as the other. And this one talks about it has the same antimicrobial in it. That's fantastic. When I use reusable bags, I always worry about what's left behind and give them a wipe out, but I love knowing that this has the microban in it. All right, so that is another good size. So between the two of them, that's a pretty good grocery store run. Okay, and last but not least, I have Backlash High Definition Mascara from Belle Beauty. So that's Belle Beauty, and that says Backlash. Let's just go ahead and open this up. I don't know anything about this brand, and it says that they have given me the High Def Mascara in Bold Black. Oh, that's a lot of brush. It's not too big, and it's not bristly. You know, I have talked in the past, I have a really good idea of what I like in mascaras, and I don't love the bristles that are bristly. I love the ones that are kind of like rubber, and although this one has a lot of texture to it, it is the rubbery, plasticky bristles that I like, and I find that I have a lot less transfer onto my eyelids if that's the case, so I will definitely give this a try. Okay, so that is the full box. That is the Tili Summer Box. And like I said, it was $49 instead of the normal $29 box, but it has the 2 California Creations bags in it, so it's more of a lifestyle box. We have these adorable sunglasses, this really nice thermal cup, which will definitely get used around here, this nice Tula cleanser that will probably end up in a giveaway, this Not Gin hand sanitizer, which if you know how you're supposed to use these, let me know, because other than just pouring it and making a mess, I'm not sure how I'm supposed to use it. This Flip It bottle emptying kit, which seems really basic, but I am thrilled to have. These Campanelli towels, which are like makeup erasers, always handy. The Soon brightening face mask, also always good. And the Elemis moisturizer, which like I said, makes at least half this box worth it to me. So I think that this was definitely a $49 box. I like it a lot. Let me know below what you think. Do you think it's $49 worth? Technically, that makes it the same price as a FabFitFun box. Actually, it makes it $5 more than a FabFitFun box if you're an annual. So not everything is equal, but that doesn't mean it's not worth it. Let me know again what you guys think, and thank you so much for coming by, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Take care.